Hi everyone, welcome back to our session. In this session, I will explain you about a very important tool which we can use it for IPTV or the application which is available inside the IPTV testing and verification purpose. So we have already known that there is a very less or minimum tools are available for testing any specific media domain application or IPTV domain or STV domain, but this tool will provide you a complete insight of testing, and this is very helpful for changing different application or suits on different application. So if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Let's begin with actual content of detailed introduction of suit test. So first of all, what is suit test? Why we'll need that, and what is the benefit of using this tool? Suit test can help us to organize and automate our testing process and device inventory. We can use it for our end-to-end testing, for operating TVs in remote office, for accessing devices shared by others, for automating some of our device maintenance tasks, or for hunting down a nasty device specific defect, or you can see that bug. So basically when we are working with suit test, because we are trying to test application available inside the STB or inside the device, we have to be keen on using this type of tool so that we'll get actual or quality product in our market. So because testing software by hand nowadays is not at all easy task, more so when it comes to TV application, where we need to cope with the inconsistencies between devices, and also because it is comforting to know exactly which part of the app has been tested and where. Whenever we are working with the manual testing process, or we will get the bill and we are want to execute that bill by manually, that time it's very difficult to test that whenever we are getting a repetitive bills. So it's a main pain point is obviously the repetitions. Repetition is boring and bored people tend to lose concentration, which leads to more mistakes. On the other hand, doing software automation usually involves a certain amount of programming skill. So tests give us the power of test automation in a slick, attractive interfaces packed with visual tools for creating effective test automation without writing a single line of code. Basically, suit tests help us to record our interaction with the app and add assertions in order to check the app behavior. Speaking in a technical terms, this recording is actually an end-to-end test. With suit test, we can replay this test as many times as we want on as many devices as we want. So every time our application changes test suit test can execute the entire test suite and reports the result. Consequently, if we have a good test coverage, suit test will ultimately help us to complete the task in easy way. So whenever we have plenty of tasks to perform, it's always required to have a specific or automated test suite so that we'll run the test suite as quick as possible and provide the result based on our requirements. So it will also define that, or it will also gives us opportunity to complete the execution as soon as possible, and if we found any defect we can raise it immediately. So we've already learned about various tools related with web-based application, desktop application and any other application, but testing an IPTV or their application is not at all easy, and creating the test suite is also takes much time to complete that. So when we have plenty of things to do in short span of time, then this will help us to quickly run the test. Whenever we are thinking about this, there some points are always in the mind. We would like to test our app on many devices as quick as possible. So whenever we found any application or any firmware which is released in our environment, so it's always required. So how many HTTPs or IPTVs are specially available in our organization? So we have to test that firmware or application with each and every device, so that it will check the compatibility as well as how it is behaving in different devices as well. We have to perform end-to-end testing for each and every device, but the suit test will help us to not to do the repetitive task in each and every device again and again, so that it will save our time as well, and we need to complete the execution as soon as possible. So this is the first point, which is always keeping or always remind us we have to test these many devices. Just like if we are considering one example of any broadcaster like Tata Sky or Sky, they're always having 8 to 10 devices right now. So these 8 to 10 devices are already available in the market or already available with the customer. So it's always required to test each and everything or each and every build in all of the devices. Otherwise, what happen if some firmware or some application is not working on one specific devices, that will not gives us a perfect firmware or perfect software builds. So next point we need to cover, like we would like to be able to operate a device in remote facilities. So just like if we are working in UK region or Europe region and our software or application or customer based in different regions. So just like we are in a France or we are in Paris and our HTTP is deployed in Luxembourg, Estonian country or some other country, and we don't want to visit personally, rather than the visiting, we can test that application of firmware in on setting periods itself. This will help to minimize our cost as well and saves our time. So whenever we found or we got and will, we can test it remotely. Third point, we would like to rent a particular remote device as a short term or repeated testing. So this will help us to do the testing as soon as possible and don't want to give it to the third party for the testing purpose. Fourth is our porting to another, just like we are porting to another platform or device and need a retest quickly. That will also help us to minimize our effort and save the resource and time. So test tools is basically best suit for the mobile app, best suit for the HTTP based application or HTTP firmware as well. Whenever we are getting frequent updates to our application, we need to make sure that the update will not break anything. So that will require to do the complete testing on each and every bend. Suit test makes handling any of the above ridiculously easy and save a lot of time, effort and resources. Due to suit test being developed with non-technical people in mind, even our top-notch person will be able to use it and marvel at it. So just like taking an example, if test lead is testing and they want to or they have created their test suite and executed successfully, they want to show up with their manager who is non-technical person, might be from different background. So that time it will suit test will help to understand each and everyone in an organization, because it will not show up the code for that person and person will execute by clicking some clicks. So this will also help us to minimize the cost of or cost of educating someone who is not at all involved in this type of testing. So let's have a look on the quick start guide which is available with Suit Test. So Android TV, Apple TV, Apple TV Simulator, HBB TV, Freeview Play, LG Web OS, PlayStation 4, Roku, Samsung Tizen, or say websites Google, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge and Safari, Xbox One. Is these all are quick start guides available with them? If anyone wants to have a look with complete test suite on these applications, they will definitely give or provide the demo for that. But whenever we are integrating with any other application or any other mobile application or HTTP application which is not included in this, they will modify their script according to the requirement and give it to us so that we can run or execute the test suite on some clicks. So this test suite is available on https://suite.st. Let me show you their website, and in further session we will definitely discuss about more content about Suit Test, so that you will get complete idea about this type of application. So how we can test it, how we can create a test suite as well, then how we can execute that. I will definitely cover each and everything in detail, but this is the introduction topic. You can see here Suit OTT test automation online from devices. You can also create some try now for free account for learning this. There are different features are also available. Automate on rival devices, local and remote for beginners and pros. So this is the application looks like that. In further session I will definitely dig dive and show you in detail. So this is all about detailed introduction of Suit Test. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.